Hello student, this is your computer science class and today we will discuss computer network part 4. In this class we will discuss the network protocols, types of protocols, bandwidth and data transmission rate, mobile communication technologies from 1G to 5G. So what is protocol? A protocol is a set of rules for the exchange of data between a terminal and computer or between two computers. Think of protocol as a sort of pre-communication agreement about the form in which a message or data is to be sent and received is to be acknowledged. So set of rules यानी कि क्या है ये एक सेट ऑफ रूल्स हैं जो कि क्या करते हैं डेटा एक्सचेंज करने में टर्मिनल में काम आते हैं. बिना रूल्स को फॉलो किए नेटवर्क में डेटा ट्रांसमिशन नहीं हो सकता. So there are some common types of protocols are TCP transfer control protocol, user datagram protocol, internet control message protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, post office protocol, file transfer protocol, internet message access protocols. Next is types of protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol. In this protocol is used to access, send and receive hypertext markup language HTML files on the internet. And the second is file transfer protocol. FTP is responsible for allowing file to be copied between devices. SMTP for simple mail transfer protocol. This protocol is used for transferring email between computers. Transmission control protocol. This protocol ensures the delivery of information packet across network. Internet protocol. This important protocol is responsible for providing logical addressing called IP address to route information between networks. Now the next topic is data transmission rate and bandwidth. So the data transmission, a very important consideration in data communication, is how fast data we can send in bit per second over a channel. Data rate is depend upon three main factors. First, the bandwidth. Second, the signal views. And third, the level of noise. Data can be analog or digital. The term analog data refers to continuous. The term digital data refers to information that has discrete state. For example, the sound made by human voice is analog, whereas the data stored in computer is digital. So in data digital transmission, what is bit? Bit is what? Number with value 0 or 1. And bits means digital representation for 1, 2, to the power n. Byte or octet n key n equal to 8. Computer word n equal to 16, 32 or 64 के हो सकते हैं. And bits allows enumeration of 2 to the power n possibilities. N bit field in a header and n bit representation of a voice sample message consisting of n bits. The number of bits required to represent a message is measure of its information content. More bits, more content. This is digital transmission. Bit rates of digital transmission rate. देखिए टेलीफोन ट्विस्टेड पेयर में होता है. ट्विस्टेड पेयर जो केबल्स है उसकी बिट रेट होती है 33.6 to 56 kbps और 4 किलो हर्ट्ज टेलीफोन चैनल्स होते हैं. ऑब्जर्वेशन उसका देखिए. ईथरनेट में क्या होता है? ट्विस्टेड पेयर होते हैं और उनकी बिट रेट होती है 10 mbps to 100 mbps, है ना. एंड जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है वो 100 मीटर्स ऑफ अनशील्डेड ट्विस्टेड कॉपर वायर पेयर. केबल मॉडेम 500 kbps जो रहते हैं से 4 mbps तक रहता है और शेयर्ड CATV रिटर्न चैनल. ADSL ट्विस्टेड पेयर इनका जो बिट रेट रहता है 64 से 640 kbps इन 1536 to 6.144 mbps आउट. coaxial with analog telephone signal. 2.4 GHz रेडियो जो रहता है उनका सिस्टम, उनमें 2 to 11 Mbps रहता है. ऑब्जर्वेशन IEEE 802 वायरलेस लैन होते हैं. 28 GHz का रेडियो रहता है. 1.5 to 4.5 Mbps 5 किलोमीटर मल्टी पॉइंट रेडियो. ऑप्टिकल फायर 2.5 to 10 Gbps 1 वेवलेंथ. एंड ऑप्टिकल फाइबर का ग्रेटर दैन 1600 GPS मैनी वेवलेंथ्स होती हैं ऐसे. नाउ the analog to distance communication. These are the transmission segments: source, then repeater, then again sent to repeater, and then the destination. Each repeater attempts to restore analog signal to its original form. Restoration is imperfect if de-restoration is not completely eliminated. And the second point is noise and interfaces is only partially removed. Signal quality decreases with hash of repeaters. Communication is distance limited and is still used in analog cable TV system. Analogy copy a song using a cassette recorder. अब बात आती है बैंडविड्थ की. व्हाट इज बैंडविड्थ? वन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दैट मेजर नेटवर्क परफॉर्मेंस इज बैंडविड्थ. नेटवर्क का परफॉर्मेंस किस पे बेस्ड होता है? बैंडविड्थ पे. हाउएवर दिस टर्म कैन बी यूज्ड इन टू डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट. बैंडविड्थ इन हर्ट्ज एंड बिट्स पर सेकेंड. बैंडविड्थ इन हर्ट्ज एंड बैंडविड्थ इन बिट्स पर सेकेंड क्या होता है देखिए. Bandwidth in hertz is the range of frequency contained in a composite signal or the range of frequencies a channel can pass. For example, we can say the bandwidth of a subscriber telephone line is 4 kilohertz. And bandwidth in bits per second, the term bandwidth can also refers to the number of bits per second that a channel, a link, or even a network can transmit. For example, one can say the bandwidth of fast internet network or the link in this network is a maximum of 100 Mbps. This means that this network can send 100 Mbps. Now the introduction of mobile telecommunication technology. So what is wireless? The word wireless is dictionary defined having no wires. In networking terminology, wireless is the term used to describe any computer network where there is no physical wired connection between sender and receiver, but rather the network is connected by radio waves and or microwaves to maintain communication. Wireless networking utilizes specific equipment such as NICs and routers in place of wires. Now 1G technology. 1G refers to the first generation of wireless telephones technology. ये जो आपको दिख रहा है पिक्चर, पहले ऐसे फ़ोन हुआ करते थे वायरलेस, है ना. Mobile telecommunication, which was first introduced in 1980s and completed in early 1990s. Its speed was up to 2.4 kbps. It allows the voice calls in one country. 1G network used analog signals. AMPS was first launched in USA in 1G mobile system. The drawbacks of 1G are poor voice quality. Second, poor battery life, large phone size, no security, limited capacity, and poor handoff reliability. This is 1G drawbacks. Now, to overcome these drawbacks, the technology come with 2G. In 2G technology refers to the second generation, which is based on GSM. It was launched in Finland in the year 1991. 2G network used digital signals. Its data speed was up to 64 kbps. Features include it enables services such as text messages, पिक्चर मैसेजेस एंड MMS मल्टीमीडिया मैसेजेस, यानी हम मैसेज के साथ क्या पिक्चर वीडियो ये सब भेज सकते हैं, तो वो हो गया MMS. It provides better quality and capacity. 2G requires strong digital signals to help mobile phones work. If there is no network coverage in any specific area, digital signals would weak. These systems are unable to handle complex data such as videos. तो उस समय तक हम MMS तो देख सकते थे, लेकिन वीडियो के कंपेटेबल हमारे पास वो नहीं था टेक्नोलॉजी. 1G वायरलेस सिस्टम एंड दिस इज 2G वायरलेस सिस्टम. दिख रहे हैं आपको मोबाइल्स में कंपैरिजन. पहले 1G के ऐसे थे वायरलेस और फिर 2G के ऐसे हुए. Now 2.5G technology. 2.5G is a technology between the second generation and third generation of mobile telephony. 2.5G is sometimes described as 2G cellular technology combined with GPRS. इनके फीचर्स क्या हैं? फ़ोन कॉल्स कर सकते थे, सेंड और रिसीव ईमेल मैसेजेस हो सकते थे, वेब ब्राउजिंग हो सकती थी. इसकी स्पीड 64 to 144 kbps तक थी. कैमरा फ़ोन्स अब इसमें इंट्रोड्यूस हो गए थे. टेक अ टाइम ऑफ 6 to 9 minutes टू डाउनलोड अ 3 minute MP3 सॉन्ग. थोड़ा टाइम लगता था इसमें, क्या 6 से 9 मिनट तक लग जाते थे एक 3 मिनट की MP3 को सॉन्ग डाउनलोड करने में. ना उसके बाद आई 3G टेक्नोलॉजी. 3G टेक्नोलॉजी रिफर टू थर्ड जनरेशन विच वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस इन ईयर 2000. डेटा ट्रांसमिशन स्पीड इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 144 kbps to 2 mbps. Typically called smartphones, and features increase its bandwidth and data transfer rate to accommodate web-based applications and audio and video files. The features of this 3G technology: first, providing faster communication, send and receive large email messages, high speed web, more security, video conferencing, 3D gaming, TV streaming, mobile TV, phone calls, large capacities and broadband capabilities, and in 11 second 1.5 minute time to download a 3 minute MP3 song now. And the some drawbacks of 3G technology: expensive fees for 3G license services. It was challenged to build the infrastructure for 3G. High bandwidth requirement, expensive 3G phones, large cell phones थे इनमें उस समय. उसके बाद आया 4G टेक्नोलॉजी, एनी टाइम एनीवेयर. 4G technology referred to or short name for fourth generation, which was started from late 2000s, capable of providing 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps speed. One of the basic terms used to describe 4G is magic. Magic means M, mobile multimedia. A, anytime anywhere. G, global mobility support. I, integrated wireless solution. C, customized personal services, also known as mobile broadband everywhere, every here. So 4G anytime anywhere, the next generation of wireless technology that promise higher data rates and expanded multimedia services capable to provide speed 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. High QoS and high security, provide any kind of service at any time as per user requirement anywhere. Features include more security, second high speed, third high capacity, and the fourth is low cost pre-bit etc. These are the 4G. Now after that, which one? The some drawbacks of 4G is battery use is more, hard to implement. Third, need complicated hardware. And fourth, expensive equipment required to implement next generation networks. Now the difference between the 3G and 4G. Data transfer rate in 3G 3.1 MB per second and 4G 100 MB per second. Internet service provided by the broadband, and in 4G ultra broadband. Mobile TV resolution very low in 3G and in 4G high resolution. Bandwidth in 3G 5 to 20 megahertz and in 4G 100 megahertz. Frequency range in 3G 1.6 to 2 gigahertz and 4G 2 to 8 gigahertz. Download and upload speed in 3G 5.8 Mbps and in 4G 14 Mbps. These are the major difference between 3G and 4G. These are the wireless mobiles of 3G and 4G. देखिए 3G wireless systems and 4G wireless systems. These are the some pictures of 3G and 4G wireless systems. Now 5G technology. 5G technology referred to short name of fifth generation, which was started from late 2010s. Complete wireless communication with almost no limitations. It is highly supportable to www wireless world wide web. 3 www तो आपको पता थे और उसमें एक और w सामने लग गया, वायरलेस. The benefits of 5G technology: high speed, high capacity. 5G technology providing large broadcasting of data in Gbps. Multimedia newspapers, watch TV programs and very clearly as to that of an HD quality. Faster data transmission that of previous generation. Large phone memory, dialing speed, clarity in audio video, support interactive multimedia, voice streaming, video, internet and other. 5G is more effective and more attractive. These are the comparison between 4G and 5G. Switching circuit to packet switching in 4G and in 5G circuit packet होता था. Data rate up to 20 Mbps होता था 4G में. 5G में अप टू अब 1 Gbps हो गया. टेक्नोलॉजी 4G में क्या होता है, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ब्रॉडबैंड लैन वैन वैन, और इसमें 5G में कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ब्रॉडबैंड लैन वैन पैन. देखिए 1981 में जो 1G फ़ोन था वो कुछ इस तरह का था. 2G में बिना एंटीना का आया. 3G में थोड़ा सा बड़ा था. 4G में और चौड़ा था और 5G में तो आपको ऐसा दिखेगा कि कुछ है ही नहीं, है ना, उसमें इतना लाइट है. सो वायरलेस एप्लीकेशन आर दोज विच यूज फ्री स्पेस एज द ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम एंड डू नॉट इन्वॉल्व केबलिंग लाइक फाइबर और कॉपर केबल्स. यही होता है वायरलेस एप्लीकेशन. ओके. द वायरलेस सर्विसेज आर बिजनेस एंड इंडस्ट्री पर्पज़ के लिए, स्कूल कॉलेजेस के लिए, डॉक्टर्स, पायलट्स, पुलिस एंड व्हीकल्स एक्सेट्रा के लिए वायरलेस सर्विसेज यूज़ हो रही हैं आज. तो कंक्लूजन पे आते हैं. ऑल टोटली द बेस्ट वे टू हेल्प ऑल यूजर इज टू यूज़ 5G एज द नेक्स्ट वायरलेस सिस्टम एंड इन टोटली इट इज़ सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योर फॉर पब्लिक. दिस is the need that demands the solution. Today's wire society is going wireless and if it has problem, 5G is answer. 5G technology is going to give tough competition to computers and laptops. It will be available in the market 2020 at affordable cost with more reliability than previous mobiles. Now that's it for today. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.